Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with another show and tell video of a new kit that I have on my computer for so long. This morning I checked the date, and the last date I worked on this was the 13th of October. So it's been a while, and I also remembered when I was checking the pages and everything that this was originally the plan to put in my shop when I had the 2nd year anniversary of my Etsy store, but I completely forgot. It's just a kit with all my favorite things. The colors are my favorite colors. The flowers, the little pieces, everything is merged into, well, this is actually me in paper. So I'm going to do the flip through. It has 26 pages, but I also have all the items cut out so you can see, because it's a large kit in pages, but also a large kit in ephemera pieces to play with and little add-on things you can put on your makings, because it's really huge. I don't know what I was thinking when I made this. I'm so happy I have a scan and cut, and I scanned and cut all the items out this afternoon. But stop talking, go ahead and show the pages. So this is the promo page, nothing special about that. It all started off with this paper, this pattern. I really enjoyed making this pattern, all the different colors and prints and flower designs, vintage. So this is page number 1. This is page number 2, has laces. This one is, well, you can collage over this, I think. It's a very good page as a base. Then I made a little file folder with 2 journaling cards. And I couldn't decide if I wanted to put these in too. This one is slightly different than the first one. I will show you. No, that's not the white paper. Sorry. This one. This one has the beige over here and more muted pinks. This one is a little bit more bright, and then I also added a very bright pink in it because I really love this green. And I also added blue with the purples because I also like those. So these are also in the kit. I could have left them out, but I didn't. I thought, well, maybe you want to play with these. There's a little booklet, labels, and a little ephemera piece. Then there is this piece with a lot of scripts. These are actually old scripts. A writing page or a backing page. It has 3 large tags. It has this paper. You can write on this. You can write on this also. This is also different layers, different textures, different prints, different colors. There's a little purple toned in here. I'm not sure if you can see on camera. And these are my favorite pages of the whole kit. I love this from the, how do you call it? The merry-go-round. These animals, I really adore those. And I have the horse also. And a lot of flowers. Then you have a sheet with little tags, tabs. And this is also a favorite tag of mine. I really love this one. And you have a paper with labels, flourish labels, a journaling card, and these are very nice to use on your belly bands or as a side window. I added 4 slanted pockets. This is also one of my favorite, well, the whole kit is a favorite thing of mine, but this is one of my favorite pages. It's clean, simple, but still very embellished. Then I have a long tag, not a long tag, a long pocket and 2 tags to create to go in here. Smaller slanted pockets, some little fussy cut items, a little ticket and a little flower card. And then you have these wordings, different ones. And I also shrunk down 2 of the pages. This page and this page, because I thought these were very large to put on tags. So you also receive this. Then we have the journaling cards with the wallpaper elements on it. Another writing journaling page. A large envelope. Another, this is also a very cute envelope, and this one too, of course, but the other one is my favorite. Another large envelope, and you receive 3 rounded tags, so it's 26 pages. So this is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26, and this is the promo sheet. You could also cut out these from the promo sheet. You can still use this or this. You can make this into a journaling card or a little tag. Like I said, okay, let me try this again. I have been cutting out all the items on my scan and cut. And I have to say, there are a few items that I couldn't cut because it would cut into the pattern. I have a little box over here because I have a lot of different small items. But 98% I could cut out with the scan and cut. So that's a good thing. So this is the little booklet. This is the file folder. These are the envelopes cut out. So you have these 4. And over here I have tags and journaling cards and pockets. These are the rounded tags. And here are the large tags. The smaller tags. I think I have 3 of those. You have this one, and then you have this small, I don't know how you call these. Railway ticket. Do I have all the tags? I think I do. And slanted pocket, slanted pocket, slanted pocket, slanted pocket. This is the large pocket. And then you have 2 smaller slanted pockets. These are the larger journaling cards that can go in here, or you can also put it on top, of course, and sew and add lace and everything. So that's an option too. It's up to you what you will make of it. And then you have the, and these have brown borders, but you can cut these off or wiggle, I don't know how you say it. You cut like this in a wave and make it look distressed. So these are on because of the scan and cut. But you can cut them off. And then you have the cards without the borders. We have these 2, these and these. And then you have the frames. 1, 2, 3. And you also receive those in smaller size. You will receive 4 tabs, and I left them like this so you can actually write or stamp on those. These are one of my favorites too. I really love these. So this is the smaller version, You have this and this and this one. I think I need to find this one somewhere. I don't know where it is. It's in here. I need to have this in small too. I'm sure I have it. Then you have this piece, and this is the ticket, and these are the 2 animals. Sorry, I was interrupted. You didn't notice, but in the meantime, when I was on the phone, I found the little one over here. And then we also have the words and the flower embellishment and the plain labels. There are a lot. I'm just going through them really fast. And of course they are in 2 sizes. So, but even though it's double the single sheet with the original labels on it, on its own it's a lot. You have the numbers, and then also I'm going to take these apart because they look different. This is also very cute. The horsey, giraffe in Dutch, and also the wordings. Courage, books, wise, live, care, together, joy, horse. I like horses. I had a horse when I was younger. Flowers, the rainbow, sweet flowers, happy, carousel, joy, journey, create. It's also what I love. And these are obviously the tiny versions of the other ones. And then you also, let me put this out of the way, have these labels. Not sure if you can see. I hope the lighting is okay. I think not. But there are a lot of these too. So a lot of little pieces to play with. And yeah, I enjoyed making this kit, although I forgot I had it on my computer. I remembered it a few days ago. I was thinking, oh, I still have this one, and now it's getting warmer and more summertime, because when I made this we were heading towards fall and winter, so I didn't think it was a suitable kit to list in my Etsy, although you can list in your Etsy whatever you want, of course. And then I thought, oh, maybe I can do it in April when I have the 2nd year anniversary, well, which I forgot. I don't know what happened to my mind sometimes, because I forget a lot of things. But yeah, I don't forget the important things, so that's a good thing. And yeah, this is it. This is the kit. A lot of stuff to play with, and it will be listed in my Etsy. And I will make a special coupon code for Facebook members if they want to purchase it. Okay, so this is the kit. There's a lot to play with. I showed you all the goodies that are cut out, all the pages, 26 pages. Of course, not 26 pages to actually write on and create your journal with. Let me count the actual pages. I didn't tell you that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think it's 12. Or are there more? I think these are all 12 pages. 13 pages. So it's actually a lot of pages for a journal. Yeah, I hope you like this video. Maybe you want to give it a thumbs up. I will be listing this in my Etsy. And you can find it over there. I will also leave a link down below. Yeah, I have everything covered now. Yeah, this is it. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye. Bye.